fans, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching Shay's Awesome Vlog, and good morning to all of you. I hope everybody is having a very nice weekend, should I say. I know I am. I'm basically just hanging out with my family and also my fiance. Today I want to talk to all of you on the reason why I truly want to build a new PC, a new computer or desktop in the future, should I say. You kind of notice I still have my case over there from when I bought it in 2020 from 3 to 4 years ago, and it's still sitting over there. It already has a power supply, a Blu-ray drive, and a SD card. The only thing I need for it is a motherboard, CPU, and a video card and memory, making sure it's compatible with Windows 11 itself, should I say. But unfortunately, this old beast, this outdated technology, when I built this machine back in 2018 to 2017, does not support Windows 11. It doesn't really meet the requirements of Windows 11 itself. That's the reason why I've been saving money to able to build my dream PC, should I say. But I'm trying my best to do what I can and juggle stuff around, should I say, to able to build this machine. We don't know Windows 12 is going to come out anytime soon. I just don't know, because everybody is switching from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And yes, I am still on the outdated version of Windows 10, but at least Windows 10 is still getting some updates from Microsoft itself. But in the near future, what is going to hold me back is trying to build this computer, should I say, basically. And I don't know if I'm going to continue my YouTube channel or not, because I really do at some point need a new computer in the future, should I say. I don't feel like buying one that's already pre-built. I would like to build one myself, because I already built one basically for myself. I don't want a pre-built machine. I want something that's customizable. I can customize on my own and upgrade certain parts inside of it. But unfortunately, this computer has served me well, and it's been a very nice computer. I'm not getting rid of this machine. It still supports Windows 10 just perfectly fine. I'm just going to have to continue to save and work with how much I can work with at my job, and also on YouTube itself, should I say, if you know what I mean. But if you guys enjoy our spring this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And thank you so much for watching. And have a wonderful day. We'll catch you in the future one. Peace out, y'all.